Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dro. If you're new, how are ya? You know the drill. So today we're gonna be doing some Kurdish reactions. So I hope you guys are ready. It's time for some Kurdish. So I'm really excited. So this video has been requested, so I'm gonna give it a whirl. I don't know the singers, but you know, most of the time I just don't know who are they. Okay. Also, I have a giveaway that I will let you know later, but make sure you watch the entire video so you know what it is, okay? Oh, belly dancing, yes. Okay, that's me, okay? Okay. I dance better, but okay, whatever. Kurden, okay. Okay, hold on. I like this song. It's I don't know, it's giving me something. Okay, this man right here, he sings good, but what his name? Mansour or Jash? I don't know who is who. Y'all have to let me know which one is which because I don't know. Yes. Okay, this is me. You know I like this. Checking out. Kurdistan. Yes, it's Kurdistan, okay? Yes. Wow. I don't know what he's singing, but you know I like the song. Kurdistan is that? Yes. Oh. Oh, okay, yes. Okay, yes, I like this song. It's like very like modern. I like it.
Okay, yes.
He sings good. Oh, okay, yes. Wow.
Yes. Okay, they're very good singers.
Wow, okay. Hey. Wow, they got dubstep. Yes, I like this song. Yes, I feel the energy of the song. I like it. It's very active. I like it. Wow. Oh, you wonder what is this? This is the coldest water container. If you want a free one, there is a giveaway that they're doing. So if you sign up for them, you can get a free bottle. So sign up for the giveaway. Who does not want a free water container? If you go to the gym or anywhere, it will keep your water cold. Okay. Alright, so the only thing you guys gotta tell me who is Mansour and who is Jamshid, because I don't know them. It's my first time reacting to them. So thank you so much. So if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want me to review them again, comment down below who I need to review or more music about them. I like them. I like their style, their voices. Yes, 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 yes. And if you're missing any of my latest Kurdish reactions, please go ahead and check it, okay, for more.